Earlier we have seen line chart without any marks. Here we are just extending the previous line chart learning. So whenever we are trying to do this plot plt dot plot, right, we can take some marker. This marker value equal to O. This indicates whatever the this O coming, right. Instead of this O, we can have X or hyphen, or there are various options are available. We can take all of them and put it under this option, so that this will be whatever the data, whatever the line chart coming, no, it will be appearing like this. So not only this, if this way, if we are extending to multiple lines also, it is possible.